Now, let's see the topics one by one. Financing. So, fintech companies are changing the financing or lending process. People need not turn to banks for borrowing money anymore. So, many fintech firms are now lending loans directly to the customers. They can seek the loans through online and get them approved quickly. Firms assess the borrower's credit worthiness and automate the underwriting process. So we have already seen that there are two ways of financing, which is called the crowdfunding and credit and factoring. So we are going to first see about crowdfunding. So crowdfunding also has various subtypes. Let's see it one by one. So crowdfunding means what? So many people come together and do the funding process. So there are different types of crowdfunding options. Each one of them has their own distinct benefits for the business and investors. Customer has to choose one of them according to the needs. First is the donation based crowdfunding. What is donation based crowdfunding? Donation based crowdfunding is used for charities. We have seen lot of organizations which do crowdfunding from the people for a particular person's health ailment or for a particular cause. So this is for charity or for a particular cause, maybe for a medical emergency or for a medical operation, whatever may be. So the donations are given in expectation to nothing in return except satisfaction. So what is the ultimate benefit of the donor? He gets nothing but satisfaction. So nothing else but satisfaction. Crowdfunding, here it is donation based. Second is reward based crowdfunding. What is reward based crowdfunding? In reward based crowdfunding, it is a kind of source for funding small business. It is mostly used for creative projects. So this permits investors to fund the venture for non-financial benefits. So what happens if the donor donates more? So if he donates more, higher will be the reward. So what is the reward? Reward is like a ticket to an event or to coupon, free gifts, etc. The reward given is not going to cost much to the deliver. This is going to be the benefit to the business. Third is crowd investing. What is crowd investing? This is a term given where large group of people or the crowd co-invest in people or business through online. So crowd investing here, it contains both equity and debt. Those investing together need not know each other before they have decided to invest. What do they get? They either get interest. If it is debt, they get interest with their investments or the shares in return. So here, those investing need not know each other before they have decided to invest. Next is called crowd lending. What is crowd lending? It helps business and private individuals to secure loans from the public. From public, we are securing the loan. It provides a platform for both the lenders and the borrowers. Both get a platform. The lenders as well as the one who borrow, both are getting a common platform. Through an efficient and powerful system, it brings both the investors and borrowers together and lend and borrow money. So, what is the benefit for the lender? the lender will be receiving certain percentage of money as interest for the money lended. This platform performs various functions performed by the banks.